acting stupid. We're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. But I feel so young. Drunk. I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high. Floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves. Can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real.
So shout out to Launch for basically sending out this code reader. I'm just gonna go ahead and just name out some specifics that they have with this product. First things first, you're gonna crack this sucker open and check that out, guys. This is probably the most fanciest thing I've ever seen. Like, look at how this is laid out. Like, you actually have a code reader that, like, dang, it's so beautiful. You guys saw the cinematic. This thing's absolutely gorgeous. Up here, pretty much, is the area for all the cables and stuff. Look at these. Like, they're not even the cheap-ass ones. Like, they stay up. I love that. That looks so cool. You can actually store some more things that are car-related, maybe some tools, and have this in your car. It's really cool. And it just looks so presentable. I'm a huge box nerd, so that's awesome. Love the packaging, love the case. And we're gonna go ahead and use this code reader since I don't have Carly here today and I don't have the JB4 hooked up. Okay, see if it runs. Yep, it's running the VIN again. Not the car's an accessory. I think it will tell it the VIN number. Bam! 2010 BMW 135. That's pretty sick. It's kind of like a game right here. Cool, so we are good to go on that. I guess it's already running the codes, guys. I didn't even... Okay, I guess it's just going to do its thing, automatically searching. Okay. Alright, what's going on here? So, inspection organization, VIN number, model, all that stuff. Engine control module, abnormal, DME. Okay, what's going on? So this is the history, guys. So apparently, oxygen sensor 2, misfiring several cylinders. Oh dear. Are we having a cat? Is our cat sensors bad? Hold up. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if can I clear this. How does this work? So let's go ahead and go back here. Clear code.